Good morning, students. Today we are going to see the cut section of two-stroke petrol engines. So the engines have two different types. It is based on the fuels. One is petrol, another one is diesel. Nowadays, the engines are coming from CNG. What is mean by CNG? Compressed natural gas. So the engine is altered the contact of CNG gas. Okay. So here we can use CNG gas in petroleum also. Before LPG gas we are using. You know, CNG. So this subsection of the two-stroke. So what are the faults associated with this subsection? So these are the parts assembled in the two-stroke petrol engine. Piston fixed inside the cylinder. The cylinder is mounted in cylinder bed. So these are manufacturing from cell molding job. You can hear the company name Auto Cell USA located in Silpo, Trichy, Coimbatore. The company will use mostly these type of components to supply Hero Honda industries. So how it works? Do you
First, the mixture is get enzyme to the inlet valve. The airflow mixture is compressed to the compressor. The spark plug produces a spark and it explodes and engine is
very good. So the air fuel mixer enters inside the cylinder to inlet valve. The engine have two valves. Only one is inlet and another one is outlet. Inlet is air fuel mixer getting inside. Out after burning the gas throughout the exhaust gas throughout the outlet. So inlet was open, air fuel mixer inside through the inlet valve. At the same time, the piston will be top side. So this is top side one. Now the air fuel mixer volume is reduced due to piston is on top side. So that time the heat is produced. Same time simultaneously the spark is the spark. That spark got the composite air in the mixer. So the air fuel mixer will be active. So we getting energy. So that energy is down the system. So each stroke we have getting power. This is the petrol engine. Okay, we are going to explain what is the ratio of air fuel mixture.
insurance. One is
Which one is one?
one is oil and the steel fan.
15% is the fat. Where is the issues? What are the issues? Okay, the carbon deposited in the spark plug spark produced in the area. Now the spark is not used. At that time, the engine not work. Due to more heat distribution. So this is the main problem. And another one is the air fuel mixer. The ratio is changed in excess of air. The burn fuel organ will be used. So that time also engine will not start. And the valve will be open in a proper sense. The timing change will be operated the valves. So the valve miss and timings. That time also engine will not work. The main one is more female engine is not check every day. We have to be level And what is the function of air filter?
Filter is air inside the door.
Air getting inside, filtered by the air filter. The air filter is also getting more dust. The air inlet quality is reduced. So the engine efficiency will be also decreased. So this is petrol engine. How it works, what are the problems occur while running the engine. And so far you understand. How it is going. Thank you.
Thank you.